All the Prophet guides the human, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought the revelation in the lives of the people. This revelation is exemplarless in the history of mankind. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. کی محمد سے وفا تو نے تو ہم تیرے ہیں، کی محمد سے وفا تو نے تو ہم تیرے ہیں، یہ جہاں چیز ہے کیا لوح و قلم تیرے ہیں. Respected principal, dear teachers and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The life of the Holy Prophet is a role model for every person of this world who believes in Allah and in the day of judgment. This source of light and guidance can lead us completely. The world had seen a lot of scholars, philosophers, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent His messenger in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had been waiting for the last prophet for centuries. He was sent the last prophet of Allah Almighty. His Sharia was regarded as the last message of Allah, and the previous Sharias were abolished. All the Prophet guides the human, but Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam brought the revelation in the lives of the people. This revelation is exemplarless in the history of mankind. There is no option left for us but to follow his teaching. The Quran and Sunnah are the basis of our religion. The holy lifestyle of the Prophet guide us in our individual and collective life. If we want to get success in this life and the life afterward, we should follow the teaching of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you.